Hello, everybody. Welcome back. I'm Mr. Short. This is Eureka Math Squared, second grade, Module 3, Lesson 5 homework help. Today we're working on pages 31 and 32. All right, so let's take a look. Yeah, I didn't do a good job ripping this out today. I don't want to hear anything. You guys do the same thing. We all mess up. I was going too fast. Didn't make it look the best, but that happens. All right, so circle the shapes that can make a cube. Okay. Let's look at number 2 real quick. Circle the cubes. All right. So we got to know which. So there's cubes here, right? It says circle the cubes. Up here it says circle the shapes that can make a cube. All right. So what do we see that's similar between here and here? If we're going to use these to help ourselves, what do we see that's similar? If we're looking, all right, let's see. First, I think it's a triangle. Do we see any triangles down here? No. So I'm going to say it's probably not a triangle. All right, the next one. We got this oval. Do we see any ovals down here? I don't see any ovals down here. Even though this color and this color are the same, that doesn't look like that. And these are 3D shapes, so we need a bunch of 2D shapes to go on a 3D shape to make it where it could be cubes, but that's not working for me. Is this and this? No, this looks more like a nice exact circle, even though we're just looking at the side of it. Trust me, it is. And this is not, so that's out. All right. So I have this green one here. That looks like a good square. If I look down here, oh look, that could be a green square right there. All right, so I got a square there, a square. I see a square here. I see a square here. I see a bunch of squares. So I'm going to go ahead and assume I can probably use that. Oops. Oh, sorry. Hit a button by accident. All right. Now, if we look at this looks like a nice rectangle. Wait, this is a square. This is a rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4 right angles there. So this rectangle, I mean, this looks like it. This is a square here. Does this look like this could be a cube? I don't know. Maybe, should we circle this one? Should we hold off? Let's come back to that. Let's go over here. All right, this one doesn't have all the right angles. And I don't think I can match this up nice and neat to make the shape work. So I'm going to say this one's out. Well, then over here, it's the same as this one. It's just turned a different way. So if I said this was good, this is good. All right, now if we come back over here, cube. What do we know about cubes? What do you know that is a cube? Think about that. I want you to stop and think for a second. What do you know that is a cube? Okay. Hopefully you're thinking about that. Like what could be a cube? You have ice cubes in your freezer sometimes, right? You have a Rubik's Cube. Do you guys still use those anymore? I'm not sure. Do we still play with Rubik's Cubes, things like that? Maybe. Maybe not. If you don't know what it is, look it up. It was a really fun toy when I was younger. That also shows you how old I am. All right. So we're trying to decide if we want to use this to go with a cube. But I'm not sure. Hopefully you guys have looked back and you're looking in your booklets. I'm trying to get some time here for you guys to think, not for me to think, because I already know this stuff. And I know this stuff so well, and I want you guys to figure it out. I'm not going to help you with that one. You got to figure out, is this the face of a cube? And I'm not giving you that answer because, you got to circle all the cubes here. Look down here at number 3. Pam says this rectangle can be one face of a cube. Is she correct? Tell how you know. Oh, I hope you paid attention in class today because this one I'm not giving you. All right, because that will answer this, and that'll let you know if this is a cube or not. I apologize, I might sneeze here. Held it off. On the back, page 32. We're trying to see greater than, I apologize, I tried not to sneeze. All right, greater than, less than, or equal to. Remember, the mouth eats the bigger one. I always put teeth in there to eat the bigger one. So let's look. We have 832. Is that greater than, less than, or equal to 30 plus 2 plus 800? So why don't we just go 32. Why don't you? So that's gone and that's gone. Why don't you add this one up, and see which one's bigger. If one's bigger, make sure you have that mouth. Remember, the mouth eats the bigger one. I always like to draw teeth in there. All right. Or are they the same amount? Remember, this is called expanded form, but we can break expanded form back down to standard form, which is how this one's written, and see. All right. I hope this helps. This is second grade Eureka Math Squared, Module 3, Lesson 5, homework help. I'm Mr. Short. You should like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next assignment. Have a good night.